The next point is the importance of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Dear students, carbon dioxide is necessary for life. This gas interacts with other gases and makes carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are necessary for the life of plants and animals. Carbon dioxide absorbs heat and moderates the temperature. The fourth point is the importance of ozone. Importance of ozone. Ozone stops the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun to reach Earth. If ozone is not present in atmosphere, the high energy ultraviolet rays will become a danger for life on Earth. Such high energy rays can cause skin cancer and eye diseases. Ozone filters these ultraviolet rays before sending other rays to Earth. The next point is pollution. Dear students, pollution, air contains pollution. Minute particles are suspended in air. The smoke from factories and vehicles contains huge amounts of carbon dioxide, sulfur and carbon monoxide, etc. During burning, the smoke particles enter in the air in the form of pollution. Pollution is affecting the atmosphere of industrial cities. This is dangerous for public health. It causes diseases of throat and breathing. Pollution also contains gases which rise up in the atmosphere and finish the ozone gas. In this way, the amount of ozone is decreasing. The dust particles also fly from Earth's surface and enter the air. Their quantity is not uniform. Their quantity is greater in deserts as compared to humid areas. Their quantity is also larger in urban and rural areas. Next point is, today's last point is water vapors. इसके लिए आप उर्दू में आबी बुखारात का लफ्ज़ भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. या आबी बुखारात। वाटर वेपर्स यानी जो आबी बुखारात होते हैं, इसके बारे में भी पढ़ लें। वाटर वेपर्स आर प्रेजेंट इन एटमॉस्फेयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ गैस। द वेरिएबल गैसेस water vapors are very important part of atmosphere. Water vapors not only absorb heat but also help in transferring heat from one place to another. If water vapors are not present in atmosphere, there will be no cloud, no rain. The system of life depends on water vapors. Earth absorbs heat from the sun. Due to this heat, the water of ocean and other water bodies change into vapors by vaporization. The water vapors add to air. Their quantity in atmosphere depends on temperature. If temperature is high, the quantity of water vapor will also be high in atmosphere. यानी अगर दर्जा हरारत ज़्यादा है तो पानी की जो मिकदार है आबी बुखारात की, वो भी फ़ज़ा में एटमॉस्फेयर में वो भी हाई हो जाएगी पूरा हवाई में। ड्यू टू देयर प्रेजेंस इन एटमॉस्फेयर, the intensity of heat and coldness remains moderate. Dear students, this is all from my side. Hope you understand today's topic. Stay home, save lives. See you next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.